Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related. I got you covered. Today's video, we are going to talk about eyebrows. My eyebrows are not filled in today. We're trying a new product, a product that is getting amazing reviews. It's the NYX Thickit Thickening Brow Mascara. This is it. Very popular. I have not tried their glue one, the glue gel that's supposed to hold it up. I haven't tried that one. This one caught my attention because it does have little fibers and I like the color selection that they had. So we're gonna try it. It retails for $11. Got it off of Ulta. It comes in 8 shades. The one thing that I do like about NYX is that they have different types of like brunette, I think blonde, which is nice because not all brunettes are the same. So I like that. It says that it tints, tames, thickens, and has a natural finish. We're gonna see that. And it's supposed to be pigmented and a great hold. Now, I am somebody who loves to use, I'm sorry, my nose is itchy. I am somebody who loves to use eyebrow pencils for my eyebrows. My eyebrows are not super sparse anymore. They used to be. If you've been with me for like a year or 2 years, you know the progress, you know the growth of my eyebrows. So they are in a much better place now than they have ever been. So we're gonna try this. Now, you know how you always have like one eyebrow that's better than the other? Like this eyebrow is definitely the more full, nicer arch versus this one that's like, this is a little bit funny here. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fill in this part just a little bit. Let me do that real quick. I'm only gonna define the shape here. Just like that. Nothing too crazy. I do my eyebrows. Just to kind of give it a little bit of shape. All right. We're just gonna go into it. This is the packaging. It's upside down. Sorry. Yeah, I've seen people review it. I've seen people with like sparse eyebrows review it, and it looks amazing. So I'm hoping for that same effect. I got mine in the shade Brunette, so I'm hoping that is the correct color. Thing with eyebrows is if you do have dark hair, you always want to go a shade lighter than your hair color. Again, you can break the rules to makeup. I'm just giving you a guideline. If you're blonde, you can go a shade darker, just for the definition. This is what it looks like. So it's supposed to have fibers in it, which is cool. Ooh. Ooh, you can't see the fibers, look. Hold on. So it's got like a Christmas tree kind of shape brush. I am not very familiar with using these kinds of products, so we're trying this together. I'm gonna pull you in close. That is pretty close. You can see my eyebrow situation. So there's a lot of product here at the end. I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put some back in here because I don't want to overdo it. I'm going to start somewhere in the middle and back and then work my way to the front because the back is where I need help. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to start applying up. I think this is supposed to give you that like super feathered brow look. We shall see. So I always like to start kind of in the back because that's where I need the most help. And then kind of make my way up to the front. Now if I can do this and not have to use eyebrow pencil, that would be fantastic. But we'll see. It feels nice. The color is pretty. You can see the little gap that I have here. And I'm just gonna kind of roll it up. That is way too much in the front. Oh gosh. Now this is coating like every single little hair that I have in my brow. I know it looks a little intense in the front. Let me take this other spoolie. Maybe I can just blend it out a little bit. Yeah. That's why you start in the back instead of the front. I'm not dipping this back in just yet. I don't think I need to be honest. This is definitely holding the brows nicely. If you guys can see that. That's not terrible. Just gonna go up with this. It definitely makes my eyebrows look a lot thicker than they are. I know this is a little bit heavy in the front. Let me see if I can fix that. I have like a little glob of it here, so I'm just trying to kind of blend that out a bit. See? Alright, let's do my other eyebrow. So far, I do like it. My other eyebrow is the one that I did not like. I didn't fill it in at all. So let's see. Again, I'm going to start in the back. And I'm going to brush up. I can definitely see it adding fibers because my eyebrow looks a lot thicker. Ooh, I went too heavy again. So when you put a lot of pressure, the pigment really like lays down. I will fix that. I know I went a little bit too much there. It's definitely feeling like it's holding the brow nice. I'm new to the whole laminated look for my brows, so bear with me, but it definitely, like, it's definitely coating my brows. Let's see. Alright, I don't think it's bad for the first time. I'm gonna pull you guys out in just a second so you can see, because when you're like all up in my face like this, I'd probably look crazy. Okay, so now that I've kind of pulled you away and I'm looking at my eyebrows, this eyebrow needs work. That's my doing. Okay, it is pretty. The color match is spot on. I think what I just need to do is clean that little part in the front up. Okay, definitely hold my eyebrows. Like, I could feel my eyebrows, like, boom. I feel like, okay, I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. I feel like the color's really good. Spot on. Brunette, if your hair color is like mine, definitely get brunette. I can feel the hold for sure. Like, that's no joke. It really does, like, hold the eyebrows up. I definitely see that they look thicker, especially like on my ends, which is always a huge problem for me. Really nice. I think if you just like fill in the front a little bit, like I could have filled that in better. It would look more kind of natural. I like it. I know I need practice with like these brow gel type of products, but this was actually quite pleasant to use. It was pretty quick. Once I get the hang of it, I'm sure my eyebrows are going to look even better, but I'm not mad at it for how it performed this first time. I like it. Don't press too hard. Like, go light, work your way up until you kind of like, I guess, like you build that muscle memory or whatever when you're applying it. But yeah, a little bit goes a long way. Don't push too hard, and I think it's a really nice product. My eyebrows look nice. And this is like so much easier than, again, like wetting the brush and doing the soap and everything. I just don't have the patience for it. I know myself. So, very nice. Go try it out. Let me know how you like it. Comment down below. Tag me on Instagram at Anna Rachinsky. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And of course, if you have any questions, let me know. Bye.